Did he go down?
Yeah, he's down. Good. Oh man.
He's coming on the big line right now. Let me get my range. I was gonna grab my range finder. Don't go that way. I want to make sure I'm on it. Just hold on. Don't shoot down. Don't shoot down. Tell me when you're on him. Good. Got him there. Hold on. Don't. Just give me a second. Whenever you can take him, okay? Just take a deep breath. If you need to let your boat down. Hold on. Hang on. Hold on. I'm gonna move directly. Wait. You ready?
Meh.
Look. Look. We got him. We got him.
Where'd he go?
Keep it on.
I got. Well, he's behind that brush.
Oh my goodness.
He cut down the hill.
Oh my goodness. I felt like I held the bow back for an hour.
Dude, you held it back for like 2 minutes.
Oh. Look that arrow laying in there, Chunner. Zoom in on that arrow right there. See the lighted knock on it?
Where's that?
Right, Chunner.
I don't see it. Oh, yeah, there it is.
You see it? Oh,
Yeah.
Good. I gotta sit in. Hey, that's what waiting's all about right there, son.
I think he went this way.
I'm nervous when it goes to the other one.
He cut down the hill at some point. I watched him.
Raised broadhead. Oh, there he is. He's down. Right up here. That. Look at that.
Have you ever
Oh my goodness.
in your life? Hold that dude up here.
That is a hog. That's a pig up there, isn't it? He's a hog. Look at that.
Yeah.
What do you
I
think?
almost shot him with a gun. When he bedded down, I thought, well, didn't I?
Yeah,
We watched
we
it for a
thought
long
about it.
time.
He was in range.
I think I didn't even better.
Get somebody on every leg, probably. I got the head. Going the right way. Y'all ready?
Did you shoot him in that way? Did you?
I shot him. God, he's huge, ain't he? Good Lord. Look at this. Come here, guys.
Hold him up there.
About a 12-inch spread, ain't it?
Turn his head around there.
Told you that.
Yep.
But I told you I had a 15-inch spread from center to center.
Yeah.
What do you think, buddy? That slug right there, that's where I hit him with a bolo. When he squatted, but there's where it hit his leg.
My goodness. Watch back. Video, right? Man, oh man.
That, look
Look
at
at the brow
that.
tine.
Look. Huh?
Doing them sideward shots up there.
Huh?
You don't want to know why the same guy's in all the pictures. Yeah. Say, didn't Jim you letting you guys hunt?
Yeah. That's something else.